Xiaomi has unveiled the latest Mijia foldable food warming board. Mijia warming board is available at price of $64. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Xiaomi Mijia foldable food warming board offers an enhanced food warming experience with high density heating. Additionally, the board 3-zone independent temperature control offers tailored heat levels across each of the 3 panels, making it versatile enough for a range of foods and drinks. The Mijia food warming board caters to various warming needs with 5 distinct temperature settings. Each setting is suited for a specific type of food or drink. 40 centigrade for duff fermentation, 60 centigrade for warming wine, 80 centigrade for milk, 100 centigrade for general food warming, and 130 centigrade for soups. Each of these settings can be controlled with a simple touch, and the child lock feature ensures safety by preventing accidental adjustment. The board is designed with safety in mind, featuring a 2 cm anti-scald edge to reduce burn risk, and a food-safe glass surface that's easy to clean and suitable for direct food contact. Moreover, the Mijia foldable food warming board features a 3-fold design for easy space-saving storage. When folded, it stands upright and takes up minimal space. It also comes with a detachable plug. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.